Hi, I am Dr. Sameer Arbat. I am an interventional pulmonologist at Nagpur, India. And on the occasion of World COPD Day, I'll be talking to you about COPD and COVID-19. So the theme for World COPD Day 2020 is Living Well with COPD, Everyone Everywhere. The motive here is to send a positive message to all COPD patients and the healthcare providers. As we all know that there is no definite cure for COPD, but there is a way of actively living well along with COPD. When it comes to COPD and COVID-19, there are a lot of unanswered questions and a lot of queries in the patient's minds. So the most common question is, do patients of COPD have a higher chance of contracting COVID-19? So the data that has come from China and Italy suggests that people who are suffering from any chronic disease such as COPD, asthma, or people suffering from any heart diseases or diabetes or hypertension are at a higher risk of contracting COVID-19. So it has been seen that patients of COPD not only have a higher risk of contracting COVID-19, but once infected, they might show a more severe form or a critical form or a very critical outcome of COVID-19 compared to people who don't have COPD. How does a patient of COPD take care that he or she can avoid COVID-19? So the most important part here is that any person who is suffering from COPD should not discontinue their medication and should consult their doctor regularly. If you've been advised any kind of inhalers or vaccination, you should adhere to your medication and make sure that you don't decrease or increase the dosage by yourself. Also, it is important that you should avoid any triggers which might escalate your COPD problem, which includes smoking or exposure to any kind of dust, any industrial smoke or any vehicular smoke. It is also important that if you have any symptoms of COVID-19 such as increased cough, increased sputum production or any increased breathing difficulty, you should consult your doctor at the earliest. Smoking is a big no as it decreases the immunity of your lungs and makes you more vulnerable for COVID-19. What are the other precautions that one should take to avoid getting infected with COVID-19? So any patient who is suffering from asthma or COPD has to make sure that he or she completely avoids crowded places, because there is a higher chance of contracting the virus from a person when you are visiting a places which is either overcrowded or places where social distancing is not maintained. It is also important to wash your hands regularly and make sure that you don't touch your face such as your nose or your mouth. How does one diagnose COPD? So the diagnosis of COPD is majorly dependent on your symptoms, your history, and your doctor might ask you to perform a test called pulmonary function test or spirometry. It's a very simple and easy to perform test in which the patient is asked to blow into a machine which is connected to a computer. The computer will then generate a chart which will tell you the lung volumes and your lung capacity. Based on these test results, your severity of COPD can be diagnosed and it will tell the doctor the exact medication that is required for your treatment. I hope this message is helpful for you in taking care of your COPD during these difficult times of COVID-19. Thank you.